You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding RSI in gold trading. Let's make it simple. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is your new best friend in the world of gold trading. Think of it as a mood ring for gold prices. It measures momentum, telling you if gold is overbought or oversold. Picture this. If RSI is over 70, gold might be overbought, like a sprinter who's run too many races without a break. Time for a cool down. If it's under 30, it could be oversold, like that same sprinter resting too long. Time to get back in the game. So, how do you use RSI? Simple. When RSI is high, consider selling. When it's low, think about buying. It's like having a cheat code for spotting trends. Combine RSI with basic market analysis, and you've got a powerful gold trading strategy. Remember, no tool is perfect, but RSI can be a game changer. Start using RSI today and watch your gold trading skills shine. Happy trading!